A BMW M2 owner just destroyed $8,000 worth of wheels because they didn't understand one critical measurement. And it happens more often than you'd think. Whether you've got an F87 or the new G87 M2, choosing the wrong wheels can turn your track weapon into an expensive paperweight. Today, I'm breaking down everything from stock specs to the most aggressive setups that actually work. We'll cover what fits without modifications, when you need to break out the fender roller, and which tire combinations transform this car from good to absolutely mental. Plus, I'll show you 5 real owner builds, ranging from daily driver setups to full show car madness. Let's start with what BMW gave us from the factory. The F87 M2 from 2016 to 2020 came in 3 flavors. The standard M2 ran 19 8.5-inch fronts with ET29 offset and 19 by 10-inch rears at ET22. When the competition dropped in 2018, BMW bumped it up to 19 by 9 front and 19 by 10.5 rear, keeping those same offsets. But here's where it gets spicy. The M2 CS came with 19 by 9.5 fronts at ET27 and kept the 19 by 10.5 rears. All F87s share the same 5 by 120 bolt pattern and 72.6mm hub bore. Remember that hub bore number. It's going to save you from vibrations that'll shake your teeth loose. The new G87 M2? BMW went straight to the competition sizing. 19 by 9 front, 19 by 10.5 rear, same ET29 and ET22 offsets. But they stuffed 275 width tires up front and 285s out back. That's a lot of meat for a compact M car. Now let's talk about what people actually run. After diving through forums and talking to owners, 3 setups dominate the M2 community. First up, the 18-inch square setup. Running 18 by 9.5 all around with ET35 to 40 offset gives you 265 or 275 width tires at all 4 corners. This setup is genius for daily driving. Better ride quality from the taller sidewall, cheaper tires, and you can rotate them for even wear. It's the thinking person's modification. Setup number 2 is for the Instagram crowd. 19-inch aggressive staggered. We're talking 19 by 9.5 ET25 to 30 up front with 265 30 all 19s, and 19 by 10.5 ET15 to 20 out back wrapped in 295s. This pushes right to the edge of what fits without cutting metal. The third setup, pure track focus. 18 by 9 ET35 front, 18 by 10 ET25 rear, with 245s and 275s respectively. Why 18s for track? More tire options, lower costs, and less unsprung weight. When you're burning through sets of R888Rs or NTZ01s, those savings add up fast. But what if you want to push it further? Without any fender work, the absolute limit up front is 19 by 9.5 ET25 with 265 30 R19 tires. Any more aggressive and you're kissing the fender liner at full lock. Out back, you can squeeze 19x11 ET15 with 295s before the rear fenders cry uncle. But watch that trailing arm. Go below ET10 and you're asking for expensive metal-on-metal contact. With fender work? Now we're talking. Roll those fronts and you can fit 19 by 10 ET20 with 275s. Pull and roll the rears, and 19x11.5 ET10 with 305 width tires becomes possible. That's supercar-level rubber on a compact BMW. Let's talk rubber. For street performance, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S remains king. Excellent grip, predictable breakaway, and they'll last more than 3 track days. Continental Extreme Contact Sport comes in second, nearly as good for less money. In 19-inch sizes, add the Pirelli P0 to your list. It's OEM for a reason. Track rats, listen up. Toyo Proxa's R88R in 18-inch sizes gives you consistent lap times without breaking the bank. The Nitto NTN handles heat better but wears faster. For that 200 treadwear sweet spot, Falcon RT60s are the move. Street legal but seriously quick. Need all seasons? Don't laugh, some of us live where it snows. Michelin Pilot Sport. All Season 4 delivers actual performance in 3 seasons and won't leave you stranded in December. Continental DWS6 costs less and works nearly as well. Quick reality check on spacers. Running E90 M3 wheels? You'll need them. Those run ET24 front and ET26 rear. 5 to 10 mm spacers fine-tune fitment without drama. 15 to 20 mm achieve that flush look with conservative wheels. But here's the critical part. Hub-centric only. That 72.6 mm bore must carry through the spacer, or you'll get vibrations that'll loosen your fillings. Turner Motorsport, H&R, and Eibach make proper BMW-specific pieces. Don't cheap out here. Suspension changes everything. Lower your M2 and the wheels tuck inward, potentially creating clearance where there wasn't any. But, and this is huge, your suspension travel changes too. That aggressive setup that cleared at stock height might rub like crazy when you're compressed mid-corner. KWV3s, Bilstein PSS10s, Öhlins Road and Track, each has different spring rates affecting how much the wheel travels into the fender. Stiffer setups like track-oriented coilovers allow more aggressive fitment. Just lowering springs? Be conservative. You've still got stock travel to deal with. Let me save you from expensive mistakes. First, wrong hub bore. Using 73 mm or larger wheels without hub rings creates dangerous vibrations. It's not just annoying, it's unsafe at M2 speeds. Second, offset math. 5 mm doesn't sound like much, but it's the difference between perfect and problems. ET30 to ET25, that's 5 mm further out, and suddenly you're rubbing. Third, tire stretching. Instagram loves it, physics doesn't. Stretching 245s on 10-inch wheels might look aggressive, but one pothole or track session could mean sudden deflation. On a car that can hit 155 miles per hour. That's a death wish. Fourth, replica wheels. Your M2 generates serious forces. Cheap cast replicas might handle your commute, but track day number 2? That's when the cracks start. The M2 deserves proper forged or flow-formed wheels that can handle the abuse. So where do you get proper wheels? Threepiece.us specializes in custom offset forged wheels specifically for BMWs. They'll build to your exact specs. Want ET23 instead of ET25? They've got you. Their consultation process considers your complete setup, not just wheel specs. Turner Motorsport knows BMW's inside out. FCP Euro offers that lifetime warranty on everything including wheels. And Pelican Parts has been in the BMW game forever. But for truly custom fitment, threepiece.us is where the serious builders go. Let's look at real builds. Example 1, 2019 M2 Competition Daily Driver. Owner went 18 by 9.5 ET35 square with 275/35 R18 Pilot Sport 4S. Stock suspension, zero rubbing, better ride quality. This is the smart play for 90% of you. Example 2, Track Monster. 2017 M2 with 18 by 9. ET35 fronts, 18 by 10, ET25 rears. Toyo R888Rs all-round, KV3 coilovers. Minor fender liner trimming required, but this thing absolutely flies around corners. Lower tire costs mean more track days. Example 3, Aggressive Street. 2020 M2 CS running 19 by 9.5. ET25 front, 19 on 11 ET15 rear. H&R springs, fenders rolled, running 265s and 295s. Pushes the limits while staying daily drivable. Alignment is critical here. Example 4, Full Send Show Car. 2019 competition on air suspension. 19 by 10, ET20 front, 19 11.5 ET12 rear. 275s up front, 305s out back. Extensive fender work including pulling and quarter panel mods. Not practical, absolutely mental to look at. Example 5, Winter Warrior. 2018 M2 with 18.85 ET35 square setup, 245/40 R18 winter tires. Conservative? Yes. Smart for snow? Absolutely. Sometimes the best modification is the one that keeps you on the road. Here's your M2 wheel fitment cheat sheet. Daily driver, 18 by 9.5 square, ET35 40. Quality all seasons or summer tires. Track build, 18-inch staggered for tire selection and cost. Show car, 19s with pulled fenders and accept the compromises. Budget $2,000 to $4,000 for quality wheels, another $1,500 to $2,500 for proper tires. Add $500 for mounting and balancing, maybe another grand if you need fender work. All in, you're looking at $4,000 to $8,000 for a proper wheel and tire setup. Remember, the M2 is a precision instrument. Wrong wheels don't just look bad, they compromise everything that makes this car special. Measure twice, order once. When in doubt, ask the experts. Your M2 deserves better than guesswork. Drop a comment with your M2 setup. I read every single one. Hit subscribe if this saved you from a costly mistake. And if you're ready for custom-forged wheels built to your exact specs, check out threepiece.us. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and that rubber burning.